So I'm out here riding this lovely Sunday morning. There's a fair going on in there. Pretty cool. Just going for a short ride just for the fun of it. This is downtown Malmö. It's pretty quiet this Sunday morning. Don't have any particular destination planned. Just going up north and east a little bit into the forest. I will be riding the highway for the first, I don't know, 45 minutes, half an hour, 45 minutes, maybe an hour, to get a little bit away from Malmö. The part of Sweden where Malmö is pretty flat. Lots of farm land. It's a sunny day, not much traffic, so I expect this highway ride to be quite uneventful. So I'm getting off the highway right now. I actually have to admit that it was actually quite nice riding on the highway for a change. It was very relaxing, no traffic, just putting on cruise control, you know, solving all the world problems in my head. So just taking a random back road here, see where it takes us.
I could see this through. I could wait another night. One more night, one more night. I could fight it through till the darkness turns.
Nope, not a dead end. But this is practically through somebody's yard. Like that. This is a cute little road. A nice smell here. It's a nice area with a little stream down there. It really is a nice day today. Which way should we go? Let's go towards Lövestad. is a nice car. Old Buick. I have no idea what year it is.
I say I'm better than I've ever been. It's like an inner ease that's caving in. I've never been this messed up. Oh, every day's a one step forward and a three steps back when I'm a free man again. This burns through the summer, back on my feet by the window. I hope it feels like you want it, don't like it as a free man. A day, a week, a month is over, it feels the same.
So that is the end of the ride for today. It is 5 to 4 o'clock. I don't really remember when I started this morning, 10 o'clock or something like that. So that's 6 hours. I don't know how many kilometers that is either. But it's gonna been a good ride. Definitely. Getting a little sore on my butt. I may need to use the air hawk that I got for the other bike and the other seat.
Than you've been. It's like an inner roof that's caving in. You'll make it through without it. Oh, every day's a one step forward and a three steps back when I'm a free man again. This burns through the summer, back on my feet by the window. I hope it feels like you want it, don't like it as a free man. A day, a week, a month is over, it feels the same, drunk or sober. I hope it feels like you want it, don't like it as a free. Burn through the summer, I'll be back on my feet by the winter. I hope it feels like you want it, don't like it as a free man.